Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers Indoors. Welcome back to my channel. Really good to have you with me again. Today I am going to be introducing a new collaboration that I am working on for the month of May. I get a lot of questions as to how I plan my projects, and the honest answer is really that I don't as such. So I'm going to kind of take you through that process really quickly, and then I'm going to split the project into a couple of videos. I'm not going to focus on putting together signatures and ephemera because it's a huge kit, and it would take me forever. Not that I would mind. I absolutely I'm going to love working on this because it really is beautiful, but I'm going to kind of focus on the kind of introducing it, and then we'll move on to just a quick show of the signatures. Then I'm going to try and film the putting the cover together, because I'm getting a lot of questions as to how I put my covers together. There's loads and loads of videos out there, but you kind of follow different people, and then you kind of learn what works for you. So, you know, the way I do it isn't going to be the way somebody else does it, and it isn't necessarily going to be, you know, useful for other people, but it works for me. So, and then the final piece will be to put it all together and do a flip through. Okay, so now for the exciting part. It's a collaboration between Tania from Tatty Treasures and Nanine from Collage Type. This is, I believe, Tania's first kit that she's put together, and she's put that together with Nanine. Excuse me. I don't know how much of Nanine's work you've kind of seen, but both her and Tania tend to work with a lot of the kind of earthy kind of tones, and that is right up my street. So I'm going to link their I'm going to link the YouTube channels and any Etsy shops, anything, Facebooks, groups. I'm going to link all of those in the descriptions below, so you can go and have a look. But the kit that I'm working with today, it's called Down the Rabbit Hole. I've got a few pages here. Now, this is part of a collaboration, and it's part of a collaboration with 4 people in total, I think. Is it 4 or 5? So again, I'm going to link all of their information down below. I think I'm the last week, so you will have seen all of their videos already. Hopefully, if you haven't, as I said, I will link the information down below. But yeah, just to give you a bit of a flavour for what I'm working with, I've printed off a couple of pages of the kit. This isn't it in its entirety. It comes in 4 parts. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and as I said, the colours are stunning. So yeah, just to give you a bit of a flavour for the type of kit it is, very earthy, very vintagey. You could go a number of ways with this kit. There's so much to choose from. Yeah, absolutely love it. So this is, as I said, just a portion of it. So these are kind of like the signature pages. There is loads of stuff to look at, loads of places to write on. That is an aeroplane going overhead, so excuse me. But yeah, it really is a beautiful kit. Feels very authentic. And then these I've just printed on the wrong card, but I just wanted to show you as not to waste it. So these are just a couple of the pieces of ephemera. There is so much to this kit that, as I said, if you were working on it non-stop, you would be working for quite some time. So the plan is I'm going to, excuse me, put together my signatures. I'm going to build the ephemera using mostly the kit. I may add another few bits and pieces. What I kind of do then is I build the signatures, don't put them together. I kind of just work on the pages, and it kind of either feels right what you're putting inside in terms of ephemera and embellishments, or it doesn't. And literally that is how I kind of go with a journal. Sometimes I will build part of the ephemera and then I'll put it into the signatures to see how much more I've got to make. I try to make enough for the journals rather than have huge amounts left over. So I kind of do it that way sometimes. I've just finished a William Morris journal, excuse me, and I've done the full flip through, or the full process. So you'll see how erratic my putting together a journal is, but literally all I can say to you is it's all on feeling. So if it feels right, then it goes in. If it doesn't, it doesn't go in. So that's the plan. I will come back to you next. I'm probably going to do a couple of videos over a couple of days so that it's kind of like in succession. The next video will be the signatures, hopefully completed, and then the video after that will be the start of the cover. So yeah, just a really quick intro today. So I hope you'll join us. As I said, if you haven't checked out any of the other collaborators, then please do, because it really is an awesome collaboration. So yeah, please jump on, and I'll link Tania's introduction video as well so you know who's who. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye for now.